Grab your hard hats. It's Kristena K. I am back again with another walkthrough. This is going to be the Townsend Floorplan with DRB in Lakeside Glens in York, South Carolina. I am a licensed real estate broker with Johnson Group Partners in South Carolina, serving both North and South Carolina, and I'm your favorite new construction broker. As you enter into this floor plan, you will see the formal dining room to your left and the flex/office space to your right. Heading through the butler's pantry/colory, we will enter into the kitchen, which overlooks the great room and the dining space. What I love about this floor plan is that it offers a guest room on main with a spacious closet for your guests to enjoy. There's also a half bathroom on main. Crossing through the great room, we'll head upstairs to take a peek at the 4 additional bedrooms on the upper level. You'll have the owner suite and 3 secondary bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms. Starting with the secondary bedrooms, you have 1 bedroom here. This bedroom is Shack and Jill to bedroom number 2. Each bedroom has their own vanity access, shared combo of shower and tub area. They each have their own closet space as well. Heading across the loft space, you will find the owner's suite. What I love about this particular floor plan in the owner suite is that the owner suite has a captain style vanity access for 2 sides separated by the water room, a stand up shower, and the closet also has captain style 2 sides separated by a medium place. Now, there is one other thing that I absolutely love about this floor plan, and it's going to be the use of the laundry room. Laundry room is not only located across from the owner's suite, but it is connected to the closet of the owner's suite. As you can see, we'll walk back through for you to see how that's connected. If you're interested in this floor plan and would like to see how you can use up to my 1% rebate, in addition to the incentives that DRB is offering, please click the links in my bio. I'd be happy to have a consultation with you and talk about how you can stack those incentives to save even more money on building or buying your dream home. As you can see, when we leave out of the owner's suite, we cross over the staircase to find another full bathroom with dual vanities, a stand-up shower tub combo, and then the 4th bedroom. Again, if you're interested in touring this floor plan in person, I'd love to take you on a private tour. Be sure to click the links in my bios for more information.